Hey everybody, thank you very, very much for joining us again. I'm sitting here with Rob Siegel, who is here, who is one of our associate attorneys with the firm. I do plan in the years to come to make him a partner, although I'm not really willing to commit to that yet, because he's just great. He's already been with us for 2.5 years during law school. He graduated law school, took the bar, and now he's a lawyer with the firm. And what Rob participates in, what he assists me with a lot, are the arbitrations against Amazon. If Amazon refuses to give you the right amount of inventory, return your money, they're not reinstating your account, or the myriad of disputes you have at Amazon, if they refuse to amicably resolve them with you, you have every right to take them to arbitration. And arbitration is generally much, much better than court. So what we're going to talk about today is a case that Rob's helping me on where we did the demand for documents, okay? So Rob, tell people, what is a demand for documents?
The demand for documents is very similar to the discovery process in court. Amazon sellers know that often dealing with the regular appeal process at Amazon can be difficult, and it's often almost impossible to get any sort of substantive information from Amazon. So during arbitration, the demand for documents is an opportunity for CJ to ask Amazon's lawyers to present information related to our client's case so that we can figure out how to best present our arguments to win the arbitration against Amazon.
All right, let me translate that from lawyerese into lay language. Amazon does not respond when you ask them for information about your plan of action. They don't tell you what the problem was. They don't tell you which invoices they think were forged or manipulated, right? They don't tell you what their issue was with your tracking numbers or which particular products or why they thought a product was inauthentic. And when you go to arbitration, they can no longer make the decision about what information to keep secret from sellers. When you take Amazon to arbitration, you are taking the decision-making out of Amazon's hands, not just about whether they owe you money or owe you inventory, but the decision about what information Amazon has to turn over. So the way the arbitration starts, and this was covered in another video, you start by drafting and filing a demand for arbitration. You get assigned an arbitrator. And now you're in the discovery process where you get to ask Amazon to provide you with documents and information, and Amazon gets to ask us to provide them with documents and information. So what Rob drafted yesterday was a demand for documents, what we want from Amazon. Rob, what was the type of the case? What was the subject matter?
It was a case where our client was baselessly accused of selling inauthentic products.
Okay, so when a seller is accused of selling inauthentic products, okay, while we know that means just need to submit invoices and show that you're sourcing the products were genuine, to the arbitrators who look at these things, that's all about whether they were counterfeit or fake or genuine. So what we demand from Amazon are, one, the complaints from the consumers, that did anyone actually claim that these products were fake? And then we also demand from Amazon what they did in their investigation. Did they just accept a complaint from a consumer who wanted a free product, or did they do anything? So this is what the demand for documents consists of us asking Amazon to be ordered to turn over documents, and the arbitrators do. The arbitrators direct Amazon to turn over documents and emails and who evaluated your invoices, and we get that information to really load up and gear up for the actual arbitration. Now, Rob, you've also dealt with when Amazon has asked us for documents.
Correct.
Now, what type of documents has Amazon asked us to produce?
Usually it's things that our clients have already given to Amazon in the past. Things like the plans of action that have been previously submitted, maybe the copies of the invoices if it's an inauthentic issue, maybe correspondence that they've had with the sellers, maybe correspondence they've had with the buyers who complained against them.
So when Amazon asks us for documents, it really is easy. It really is a slam dunk. Because within the prior plans of action, you have already provided the invoices, or we have provided the invoices for you with your plans of action, your appeals. So when it comes to arbitrations, it's a multi-step process, and that is the step, the demand for documents. We demand documents from Amazon. They get directed to provide them, and they also ask documents from the sellers, and generally we've already given it to them, and we're just repackaging and sending it to them again. So Rob, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
We are going to give you more and more videos so that you understand every step of the way when it comes to arbitrations. We also already put out there about a half a dozen videos on inauthentics. We're doing used, sold as new, related accounts, high ODR rates, IP issues. So if you're learning anything from these videos, please like it and share the video, and also leave us a review for the video. That helps tremendously. And if you have any particular issues you want me or Rob or any member of our team to address, send me an email, cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com, cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com, and you can also reach Rob directly, rob@amazonsellerslawyer.com. Thank you.